Well, good afternoon and welcome to Double K Home Projects. Today we are going to be mixing up some starter soil for our seed starting trays. We're going to be using peat moss and vermiculite. It's the only two ingredients because a little seed, they don't need anything. They don't need anything but some good soil that'll stay wet. They don't need any of the fertilizers or anything like that put into them. So you can buy pre-made, pre-mixed soil, but this, if you're going to do a bunch of trays, this is probably the better way to do it. Vermiculite and peat moss. You put 1 part vermiculite to 3 parts peat moss. So that's what we're going to do here in just a minute. I'm going to use an old paint bucket, paint measuring bucket to measure each portion. So first we're going to get the vermiculite. We got to get them opened. Okay. Stuff's pretty fluffy, so there's our vermiculite. So we're just going to pour that in. Okay. And then we've got this black gold peat moss. You can get whatever brand you want. I just got whatever I could. Okay. Once you open that bag, I'm going to try to tape that back shut, but so we won't use all this. Okay, we might have to rough this up just a little bit to get it to come out because it's packed in there pretty good. You can do this in a wheelbarrow and get it broken up a little easier than this method, but I'm not doing a whole bunch, so this is how I'm doing it today. Get your little cultivator tool. There's one. We'll chop it up a little more once we get it in there and mixing it. Like I said, you can do this in a wheelbarrow and it might be a little easier. There's 2. Now this stuff's, it's already moist. So that's good that it's moist. All right, and here's 3. Okay. Now we're just going to take our cultivator here and we're just going to start mixing this up together to make our starter soil. Now this is only starter soil. This is just for starter trays, and there's other mixes for like container gardening and things like that, but this is just for your seeds to get started in. You can use whatever method you want to mix it up. This is just an old kitty litter bucket or yeah, container that I'm using, which seems to work pretty good for this. Sometimes there's some bigger pieces in there you might want to get out of there. Just mix her up real good. That peat moss is kind of clumpy, so you kind of got to get all that stuff broken up. See, there's like clumps like this. You want to get that, it'll break up, but you need to get it all broke up. You might have to just get your hands down in there and feel for the clumps and just break them up with your hands. See, look here, plus you find sticks. You get rid of those. Get them all broke up. Everything broke up in there. All right. That may fill 2 trays. I'll show you the trays that we use. We use these trays. I mean, there's all kinds of different trays, but this is the tray that we use. It's a Jiffy brand, and the octagon ones seem to hold up a little bit better. They sell round ones too. Anyway, I've had pretty good luck with these octagon shaped ones. They're a little bit stiffer. So anyway, we can refer back to another video that I did of packing this stuff in here. And today we're just showing how to mix your own starter soil. So come on in here and look at it. It's nice and fine. You can see the vermiculite in it. And that's all you need to start your seeds. Thanks for coming along with us today as we made this new starter soil for these seed starting trays. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate any comments as well. So with that said, we will see you in the next video. Bye.